Okay, so we are going to learn how to purchase a domain, how to purchase website hosting, and how to install WordPress. We're going to be doing all of this on HostGator. There is a link below that will bring you to this exact page. I do, as a disclaimer, make a little bit of money every time somebody clicks on that link. So if you love me, click on the link, go through all these steps through that link. If you hate me, just go to hostgator.com and you'll do the exact same steps, but I won't make any money. Easy peasy. So the first thing we're going to do is purchase website hosting. And we have two options. We have web hosting and WordPress hosting. I'm not going to get too much into this right now because it's not really relevant, but just know that we're going to pick web hosting because it's essentially the same thing as WordPress hosting, but a little bit cheaper. So we're going to go to web hosting, and we'll notice that there are three options. We are going to disregard the business plan since that's not really relevant to us, and we're going to look at Hatchling and Baby Plan. The biggest difference between these two is that Hatchling allows you to attach a single domain and Baby allows you to attach unlimited domains. Hatchling is a little bit cheaper because you aren't able to attach as many domains, and I'm going to recommend Hatchling for that reason. If you are not looking to build multiple websites, you do not need to have the Baby plan. So we will click on Hatchling Plan, and then this is where things start to get fun. In here, you are going to put the domain name that you wish to purchase. Right now, as I'm making this video, they are having a sale where you get a free 1-year domain registration. That sale might not be going on when you view this video, but I do have some coupon codes later that can help you out, even if this sale isn't currently going on. So we'll just type in whatever domain that we want. This is a domain, and we will see if it's available. Okay, so my domain is not available in a .com version, but it is available in a .site and a .net. If we want a domain in a .com version, we're going to have to change our domain. So let's see, this is a domain 123. And we will see if this one's available. Sweet, this one is available in a .com version. So we're just going to click on that and we are all set to go. Then we're going to scroll down and we're going to work on our hosting. So we've picked the Hatchling package, which is just one domain for your hosting. And we're going to go over here, click whatever billing cycle you want, whether it's 1 month to 36 months. Obviously, the more months you do, the cheaper it's going to be. So we'll click on that, and then we'll make a username and a security pin. Your username can be whatever you want to be within these regulations, and then your security pin is going to be 4 to 8 numbers long. Basically, what your security pin is going to be is if you ever have any issues and need to reach out to support, they'll use your security pin to verify your identity. After you've filled that out, we'll go down here to your billing information. You should by now already know how to fill all of this out if you've ever used Amazon or literally any other website on the internet. After you've filled out all that information, we'll go down to step number 4, and we're just going to unclick all of these. These are all extra things that you could buy but aren't necessities. We can actually integrate most of these things into our website for free later on, so we're not going to pay for them right now. Then, very lastly, we can enter a coupon code. There might be one that's currently put in there that's going to be whatever the current sales are that are going on. Check to see how much that saves you, and then you can compare and contrast to these 3 coupon codes that I have. So you can try Sun25, Sun60, or Snappy. And those should get you anywhere between 25% off and 62% off. So you'll just type them in, compare and contrast over here how much you're saving. Okay, I didn't save as much with that one. You get the idea, whatever. So just go through the coupon codes, pick whatever one saves you the most amount of money, and we'll go with that one. And then the very last thing you're going to do is just click, I have read and agreed to the terms of services, and check out now. And that is it for purchasing your domain and hosting. After this, we are going to go over how to install WordPress. See you then.